I make
binibili.
sound videos.
Okay? So,
So,
hahatiin ko yung
I have
between
videos with sound
big
subtitles,
bends,
but sometimes I don't choose the
between
sound.
laryngoscope,
So I want to show
between
you how I'm going
RBS,
to do this.
between
First, I'm
stethoscope.
gonna animate it and flip it.
Yun. So, dito muna ako kay Big Ben. Kay Big Ben, paano ko siya
So,
hihimayin? Desk,
So my
wall,
title
stand.
is.
Okay? Tapos, mag-aalat
So,
ako nun.
I just
Kailangan
name this.
may mabenta
I just
tayo.
name everything a
500 units ng
different
desk,
name. I just
500
mostly I
units
just
ng
use
wall,
a letter.
1,000 units ng
But if it's
ng
very
floor
important,
type.
I just
eto,
do this.
ilan
So I
ba
go to
ang
audio, then
territory?
we're gonna go to plus. Add audio.
North,
So the feature is
NCR,
locked.
ayun. Basta yung
And you can
region
just watch
1,
it at.
region 2.
I have internet right now, like literally. Bro, block blast.
Oo. Para lang may gist ka kung paano dapat gawin.
So because that
Katulad
this feature
yan.
is locked, I'm gonna
Um,
watch an ad.
Dinivide ko yung
Oh, this
500
ad
units
sucks. Okay.
sa sa mga territories dito sa Philippines. Parang ito yung kay pagkatapos kunwari sa NCR, since mas madami ditong benta,
So I guess this ad is
let's say,
almost done.
majority
So we also have
dito,
to wait
let's say
for the
200
ad.
units dito. Ilan ang humahawak dito sa NCR ng, i-chop-chop mo rin.
So,
sa,
mag-ibang na tayo ng presentation.
Oo,
Kasi ako
okay.
walang taong
Okay, so I'm
oo.
stuck
So
and we're
ikaw,
already
ang
done.
gagawin mo, ma'am,
So
is,
let's go.
magkano
I wanna
ang
show
quota
you
mo
how
total?
I'm gonna do
Magkano
this.
ba?
22.
22.
As you can see,
Okay, 22
I record
overall na yan,
videos.
ma'am, diba?
Hmm.
Okay, sa 22, di ba may quota ka? Kunwari sa day 1 may quota ka.
Okay.
Diba? Tama ba?
Kasi ko na nakita yung sa akin. Nakatotal kasi ako, mami.
So this is how it.
Yun,
So this
meron
is
yan,
how
ma'am,
it
eh.
did. I added to the
Parang,
timeline.
aside from the total mo, meron kang na kailangan ang benta mo sa day 1 ganito, sa register ganito.
So I'm gonna
Meron
check
yan.
how long is this animation
Meron
to see how many.
Tapos ang gagawin mo
Bro,
nun,
how did I move on to
Um,
69?
kunwari day 1 ha, kasi ito yung mas madali discuss sa akin. Ilang ospital ang o-offeran mo ng day 1? Let's say 3 major hospital. Anong goal mo sa
133
kanila?
pages.
Para ma-meet mo yung, let's
So
say,
this is how I
5
animate
million,
my videos. I
5
hope you
million na
don't
lang.
animate this because this
So,
is
ang
bad
gagawin mo,